Hi everyone, it's Sophia again. This week I'll be talking about money, what it actually is, what it's supposed to do, and how blockchain technology is changing the way we think about it. I chose this topic because money is something we use every day, but we don't really stop to think about what gives its value and why it works the way it works. And now, with blockchain, we're seeing entirely new forms of money emerging, like bitcoins and stablecoins, which challenge the traditional systems. So let's break it down today. So, what is money really? Money isn't just coins or paper notes. At its core, money is a tool, a system that helps us exchange value efficiently. Traditionally, economists say that money has three main functions. Medium of exchange is what we use to buy and sell things. Unit of account, it helps us measure value, like say a coffee costs 3 euros or a phone costs 600 euros. And store of value, it lets us save purchasing power to use later. In addition to these functions, money should also have certain properties. It should be durable, so it doesn't wear out easily, portable, easy to carry around or transfer, divisible, you can break it down into smaller units, recognizable, everyone agrees on what it is and what is legitimate, and stable value, so prices don't fluctuate wildly. So, how does blockchain fit in? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Blockchain allows for the creation of digital money, like Bitcoin, that can potentially fulfill all these three functions and properties without a central bank. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. It's a medium of exchange. You can use it to pay for goods and services, especially online. It's a unit of account. Even if prices aren't commonly set in Bitcoin, you can still use it to measure value. And it's a store of value. Though this is a bit controversial because price volatility and many people treat it like digital gold. As for properties, it's durable because it exists digitally and doesn't degrade. It's portable because you can transfer it to another account within a minute. It's divisible down to one Satoshi, which is 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. It's recognizable in the crypto community, and each online user is verified on the blockchain. Each coin is verified on the blockchain. But stable in value? Not really, not yet, because of the price fluctuations, and that is why traditional currencies still have the upper hand here. Now, you may ask me, how does this impact traditional financial systems? This is where blockchain becomes disruptive. Traditionally, money is issued and controlled by governments and central banks. Banks are the middlemen for most transactions. But with blockchain-based money, people can exchange value directly, peer-to-peer, without needing a bank. That has huge implications. People in countries with unstable currencies might prefer holding their value in cryptocurrencies. Cross-border payments become faster and cheaper, avoiding bank fees. And with smart contracts, you can automate transactions, like sending payments only when a certain condition is met. We're also seeing the rise of stablecoins, which are blockchain-based tokens backed by real-world assets like dollar or euro. These aim to solve the volatility problem while still offering the benefits of blockchain. On the flip side, this creates challenge for governments and regulators. How do you enforce tax rules or prevent crime in decentralized systems? And what happens to traditional banks if people start holding all their money in crypto? These are the big questions that are being asked right now. So, to sum it up, money exists to make trade easier, and it needs to be exchangeable, measurable, and stable. Blockchain allows us to create new kinds of money that can do all those things often better than traditional systems. But it also brings new risks and forces us to rethink how financial systems are structured. Blockchain-based money is no longer just theoretical, it's real, it's growing, and it's changing the way we interact with value. Thanks for listening. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of how blockchain connects the basic concepts of money. See you next time.